County Supervisors Diane Jacob and Nathan Fletcher are calling for a crackdown on all products associated with vaping and e-cigarettes.
The board will take up the recommendation on October 15th, and if eventually approved, would take effect in the county's unincorporated area. News 8's Monique Riego is live with what we know right now. Monique?
Yeah, and this proposed ban has to do with all the vaping-related illnesses we're seeing nationwide. At least 12 people have died, 2 here in California. But critics of the ban question how much it's really going to help. And that has to do with the latest information released by the CDC. As experts continue to investigate the nationwide outbreak of vaping-related illnesses, with at least 12 deaths and more than 800 sickened,
we must act today.
San Diego County leaders taking aim at vape shops in the unincorporated parts of the county.
Our nation is in the midst of a grave and fast-growing public health crisis.
This afternoon, County Supervisors Diane Jacob and Nathan Fletcher announced a plan to ban the sale of all flavored tobacco products outside of the city limits. The proposal, which will now go before the board later this month, also includes a temporary moratorium on the sale of all electronic smoking devices.
Right now, we simply don't know enough about the dangers, about the chemicals present in these devices, about how they interact with one another.
But how much the proposed ban will help remains unclear. The latest information released by the CDC shows 77% of those who got sick said they'd smoked products containing THC, the chemical that produces the high in marijuana. And the vast majority, 2/3, also said they'd purchased the product either online from a friend or an illegal drug dealer, not a legitimate vape shop.
We do not sell any THC products whatsoever.
James Mitchell, the owner of Vapor Invasion in Grantville, says in California, only licensed dispensaries can sell products containing THC.
We are very open to reasonable regulations.
While his shop won't be affected by this particular ban, he feels if passed, it will have a domino effect and may even lead to more illnesses by forcing people to get their products from unregulated sources.
We're talking about THC products that are being sold illicitly on the black market that are causing illnesses in people and causing deaths.
And the board plans on taking up the proposed vaping ban on October 15th. Several other California cities have already passed similar policies. Back